Hi, today I'm making breakfast, a little twist on bacon and eggs. And so bacon and eggs obviously is a staple that, we all like. And so today I'm going to be making pepper jack, bacon and egg frittatas, as well as bacon and egg cups. And so we're going to begin with, this is 2 eggs for the first recipe. I'm adding a couple of tablespoons of whole milk as well as black pepper. I'm going to mix the egg mixture, just scramble them up. And I've already crisped up 2 slices of bacon crispy and set those aside, drained them, and crumbled them up. I've done 2 tablespoons of green bell pepper as well as white onion, and then 2 slices of finely chopped pepper jack cheese. I'm gently mixing the eggs, bacon, onions, and green peppers together and transferring them into 2 greased ramekins. And so in these ramekins, we're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And once they're done, they're going to look just like little mini frittatas. They can be served right out of the oven, or they can be refrigerated for breakfast later, but they hold up well. The next thing we're going to make are bacon and egg cups. Now for this recipe, you will need your muffin tin, and this is kind of what it'll look like when it's done, but we begin with taking 2 slices of bacon, and this is raw bacon, and you're going to literally layer them in a circle in your muffin tin, okay? And you will crack, I've used 2 eggs here, so you're going to crack an egg in each one of the areas where the bacon is lined in the cup. And you're going to just let that cook for 15 minutes in the oven on 350 degrees until the egg is done. You can top it with green onions like I've done. And then it's ready to serve. So I just lift it out of the cup, drain it slightly on a paper towel, and then I add pepper to it because the bacon has the seasoning, and it's almost like a poached egg with bacon, and it's delicious.